Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to go ahead and just jump right into this video. This is how I am bleaching knots on closures and frontals in 2023. I have discovered this product. This is the Ion Charcoal Flash Powder Lightener. This actually has bamboo charcoal in it, and it actually acts as a toner. So it's basically a bleach and a toner in one. Today I am going to use my Clairol 30 volume developer. You can use whatever volume developer that you feel comfortable with, but I mainly use 30 volume. I am adding a few extra scoops today of this powder because I am bleaching more than one closure. I'm only going to show one on camera, but I am bleaching several. This particular bleach is very fine as far as how it was milled. So you want to be very careful with the amount of developer that you're adding in. And this is the consistency that you want, kind of like a peanut butter or whippy peanut butter consistency. So be careful with this. All right, let's go ahead and start adding the actual bleach mixture to the closure. I prefer to use a knife when applying bleach to lace, and I start in the back of the lace because those knots are larger, so I want that to process a little bit longer. I leave about possibly kind of like a ½ an inch to the top or front of the lace, and I come back in 5 minutes and finish it off. I do this because the knots in the front of the lace are a little bit smaller and I don't want them to be over bleached. So after about 30 minutes of leaving the bleach on, I go ahead and rinse it off with warm water. After I rinse all the bleach off the closure, I do go in with a neutralizing shampoo. I see a lot of people skipping this step. They go straight in with a purple shampoo or a blue shampoo or something like that. I, in my opinion, believe that the bleach is still activated. Even though you only use water, I still feel like this is what's causing closures to go bald quicker because that chemical is still on the hair. I just personally feel like you need to go ahead and neutralize that out as if you were actually, putting a perm or bleaching your natural hair. Everything that I am using in this video, from the shampoo, bleach, everything, I got from Sally Beauty, so make sure you check them out. I went right on their website, ordered, and had it delivered to me at home. As you can see, I am really working this neutralizing shampoo in. I am trying to make sure all of that bleach residue is removed. Now, you can stop right here, but I'm a little extra and I want these knots to look like scalp. I want this lace to look like scalp. I do not want any yellow, any orange, or anything to this nature. So this is just an extra step that I enjoy doing. But as you look at the closure, it's not that bright burnt orange that you would normally get with the standard BW2 or something like that. It's actually already toned, but I am going in with a purple shampoo to really tone that out. I want those roots to be clear. After I let the purple shampoo sit on the lace for about 10 minutes, I went ahead and rinsed it off, and here is the final results, guys. All of the yellow, all of the orange, everything is completely gone. Listen, this is how I am bleaching knots in 2023. We are only looking for scalp, okay? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you have enjoyed this topic. But before I go, here is the before and here is the after. It's giving scalp. Again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content, and check us out on our social media. You can find us on Yummy Candy Collection on Instagram and Facebook. I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.